Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does ASL mean on Snapchat. So, let's get started. ASL stands for age, sex, location. It's a common question that people ask on Snapchat to get to know someone better. It's usually used as a first message, and it's considered polite to answer if you're interested in talking to the person. People ask for ASL on Snapchat for a variety of reasons. Some people want to make sure that they're talking to someone who is a similar age and gender. Others want to know where the person is located so that they can have a better understanding of their culture and background. Still others are simply curious. If you do choose to share your ASL on Snapchat, be careful about who you share your information with. Only share your ASL with people you know and trust. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.